Daniel, what are you doing?
I'm out here training for the Australian Open.
The only catch is you're probably not going to be in the Australian Open, and that's a squash racket.
So it is. But I tell you what it is going to feel like. 50 degrees, centre court, Rod Laver Arena in my home this summer.
You probably won't go to centre court, but you can ace your summer. And how are you going to do it? You're going to do it with one of these. I'll take this. Pro belongs at Albert Court Leisure Centre. And what belongs in your home? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of those indoor heads. They go on one of those outdoor units. There's no better way to cool your home this summer. Team at Metro, we got you covered. Put your details below, and we'll help you soon.